Hello, how are you? I'm Elizabeth Walter and I'm a personal development coach, an EFT tapping specialist, and importantly, a happy habits activator. And I have this membership group called Attributes, Attitudes and Advancement. Now, I know from personal experience, when we are not doing things that are taking us forward, we tend to be slipping backwards. I used to have complex post-traumatic stress disorder, severe anxiety, panic attacks, negative beliefs about myself, and actually a very pessimistic view of my world and the things that could happen for me. It kept me stuck for many years. But then I went to counselling and I did unpack a whole lot of stuff, and I learnt with my psychotherapist how to do EFT tapping, which was an absolutely fabulous tool that helped remove the emotion connected to events in my life. That's super important. It helped me to stop staying in the puddle of my distress and anguish and, just the pain and wounds of the things that had happened to me. So I went through all that and then I thought I was cured. I thought, that's it. Okay, I don't have to do any more. I don't have to ever do any work. I don't have to think about anything. I don't have to be investing in me. And you know what? It took about 4 years, but then I ended up being back in some puddles. Because if I am not working on myself, if I'm not investing in learning new things, if I'm not investing in becoming a better version of myself, well, I'm pretty likely to become a less version of myself, and I'm pretty likely to have my focus and my energy flow into places that aren't right for me. Because we all need things to use our energy on. And our energy is our thoughts, our emotions, and our actions, isn't it? It's that cup of tea. And so I realised that personal development was the key fundamental thing I was missing in my life. And once I started investing and my habits became happier, my habits started taking me to the places where I was growing and life was amazing, I decided that having a membership group and inviting people in there, and this membership group, if you join, you are a founder. The price will never go up. And plus, you're going to be part of a vibrant community and you're going to help me make some decisions about the best things that could be helping you in your life. And other people within this community, you're going to build relationships with them as well. And we're going to be talking about meaningful conversations, because that's something else that we lack. Having meaningful conversations about things that matter to us. And usually when they matter to us, they matter to other people as well. So I would love to see you on the webinar tomorrow night, 7:30 New Zealand time. Come along, you can ask a few questions. But you matter, I matter. And once I started making a commitment to myself that I'm going to invest in things, I'm going to keep progressing and moving forward in the ways that make me the best version of myself, and also means I have more to offer other people in my life. Well, when you start doing that, you're going to realise it's the best decision you've ever made. And together, we're going to grow and glow together. Bye for now. See you tomorrow night. If you have any questions about this, just PM me. I am so looking forward to meeting you.